great things, right? But people who don't know me, and they're all over the world, and you trust this website, and you pay from your credit card, and when did the product show up, and what did they do to you, all that. I think that's more valuable than anything that I can say. But I will say a couple things I think are pretty valuable. Number one, I don't know if y'all even, I don't have hair, so it's easy for me to do this. But man, I hope that this opportunity does not go right over the top of your head. It is so good and so easy. I've never experienced anything like this. Guys, this is the first ever virtual dispensary in the ever that is candid, transparent about cannabis, about THC, Delta 9, fully natural, not the synthetic stuff, the real stuff. We're the first company ever that has not just embraced it, but endeavored on a mission to create a movement of people that would educate people, that would train people, that would share the benefits of this great plant. With everyone from their mother, brother, sister, aunt, uncle, cousin. I mean, you name it, from across the street to around the world, that you would share this with. And guys, we're as big as an advocate of this industry as any network. In fact, I know it's cool for y'all when you think about it, right? There are, just on this Zoom, there's 145 people that are probably 420 friendly from some perspective. And as you heard, man, like I said, from California to Idaho to Utah to the East Coast to Florida, Texas, everywhere in between, Indiana, Iowa, Chicago, all these places. I mean, we literally have not even went into our official launch, and we have the largest 420 friendly network in the United States already. Thousands of buds, thousands of you guys are all over the country. I mean, think about it. If you really got to know each other and you plugged in, man, you could be in any state in the United States tonight traveling and have somebody that you have that in common with, that you could get together and build a business together with. I mean, guys, that just doesn't exist outside of this company. I know I'm the owner. I know it sounds like I'm tooting our own horn or I'm bragging or being arrogant. I'm really not. I'm just excited. I'm excited that we together as a team, that we've done this. I mean, if it was all to stop tomorrow, it's something to say that we built the largest network of 420 friendly people in the world. I mean, that's pretty cool. The largest network of 420 business owners in the world. I mean, that's a big deal. And we ain't even launched. We haven't even gotten started. So if you don't realize the timing of this and the size of the opportunity on here tonight, and I'm saying this with, guys, I really am. I'm saying this from a different place. If you don't get it, what I would do is I would call the person who invited you and say, okay, man, I watched that Zoom, but I didn't completely get it. Can you explain it to me again? And let them explain it to you again. And if you don't get it, I'm begging you, have them get whoever introduced them, or find somebody that really understands it to explain it to you until the light bulb goes off and you go, you mean to tell me that this is what I have in my hands? This. And I say that because I don't want anybody to miss out. I don't care if you live in some podunk town in the middle of West Texas, or if you live in the Big Apple or LA, it doesn't matter. I want every person in America to at least be afforded the opportunity to capitalize on what I have and what so many people around me have. So timing is super, super important. We are getting ready to pay out more money. I know this past week we paid out, I think to Bougie, I think she's on here. I think we paid out $5,700 last week to Bougie. I think she was our top weekly income earner. And we haven't even launched yet. So think about it. That's somebody working this business very part-time. And I'm not saying that in a negative way. I'm saying that in a good way, okay? To be able to work something part-time and make $1,000 a week or $500 a week or $5,000 a week, I would say that's a pretty big opportunity, okay? Especially since the company just started, 3 months ago. And I don't mean officially launched. But here's what I want to do. I'm going to shut up here in a second. I want to show you a quick deck as to how this works, and then I'm going to turn it back over to Eric and let you hear from other people who have been in the business for a while. They're virtual dispensary owners right now with Smoke Buds, and they've already tried the products. They've already had family and friends try the products. We'll talk a little bit about the holidays, and things like that. But let me just jump into this. I'm going to share my screen, make sure everybody can see it. Uh-oh. Can give me a thumbs up, anybody? Thumbs up, you can see Smoke
Yes,
Buds
sir.
on your screen? Yep. All right. Thank you. So Smoke Buds really is the ultimate high society, and there's a lot of intended. Okay, I'm not going to go through that because I'm taking a lot of time here. But you know what I'm talking about first, the industry. Guys, Grant Research recently stated that one of the largest transfers of wealth in the history of the United States, one of the largest market disruptions, one of the largest paradigm shifts that our country has ever experienced is happening right now. Right now. And it just started in 2022. And what that disruption is the legalization of cannabis and the fact that smokers are switching to technology devices called vape pens. So look at this from a timing perspective. Now, I was fortunate. I got into this industry way back when it was first legalizing, and I watched my income, from a company, from the owner of the company, not my personal income. But I watched our company go from doing $529,000 a week in April the 16th to April the 20th, to June the 18th to June the 22nd, 25 days later, to doing over $2 million a week. Right? I showed these financials to a group of leaders prior to seeing on this thing. So just think about that. That's a lot of money, right? And I thought, man, what if we could share this with people? It doesn't have to be huge numbers like that. Even if it was $500 a week extra income, what could that do for someone? If we could share that number. And look at where you are. So that was back then. And yet we've not even touched the tip of the iceberg of this market. This is going to grow to a $300+ billion market over the next several years. And you're at the beginning. I mean, you're at the top. You couldn't be in any better place than you are right now if you wanted to invest. Okay, right? Now, what's the opportunity? How do you take advantage of this opportunity? Right? Well, number one, you need to know. You don't need any experience at all. You don't have to understand Delta 9, Delta 8, CBD, all these people versus you don't need anything. You don't have to understand anything. None of that. You don't have to have a storefront. You don't need to invest. You don't have to buy a bunch of products and have inventory. You don't have to go through a background check and get a license and apply with the state and do all that. There's no monthly minimum. You don't even have to buy products every month in order to get paid. And one of my most favorite things is unapologetic freedom. You can be proud to be a part of this company. You don't have to hide it. Most companies in this industry, they're secret companies in the front, but when you catch them, after they come home from work, they're 420 people. The CD companies in the front, that's what they talk about, that's what they promote. But when they get home, they're 420 people. You know what I'm talking about. That's not like that, man. We have one shot that we believe that this plant that was created by God, it's not a drug, it's a plant. The drugs are the things you get from your doctor, okay? So if you want to create a t-shirt and just say no to drugs, you need to put you say no to drugs, put a pharmaceutical pill bottle with the circle X out, okay? That's drugs. This is plants. This is health. So there's no politics here. And lastly, guys, yes, it's 100% legal. Everything we do is 100% legal. You'll get trained on that eventually, how that works. But what it is you get to own your own virtual dispensary. Now think about that for a second. There's no huge investment. You don't have to buy a bunch of inventory. You don't have to do anything except you get to own your own virtual dispensary with over 100 products. There'll probably be over 200 products in the next 60 days. Unique products, okay? Everything from vape pens to gummies to brownie mix to chocolate chip cookie mix. You got to aphrodisiacs to sweet tarts to intimacy things. There's all kinds of stuff. All cannabis-driven products, okay? You own that. And all you do is share them. You get paid on any all I'm saying is there's nobody who has an excuse to not be a part of this, okay? Now, what do? You buy a product, number one. That once you buy that product, you are instantly in the bud network. You're a bud. You're a smoke bud. You're a social dispensary owner. The moment you buy that product, you don't just sign up. All you do is buy a product, and you did sign up. It's all the same thing. So the moment you buy any product you choose, you are now a bud. You get an email, okay, with your QR code or your link. And all you got to do is share that. Some people, they put it on their cell phone. It's a little QR code. They share that with people. They know about products they can pay everywhere. In the workplace, everywhere. They're sharing that QR code. They go to their bars. This is on a guy, or gal. This is strike up a conversation. Hey, you 420 friendly? Yeah, of course I am. Wait, scan this QR code. Check out my virtual dispenser out back. We drop this product straight to your doorstep. Wait, what? Don't you bring products, cannabis? Yes, cannabis. How do you do that? 100% legal. Just check it out. They scan the code. They go home. They buy a product. They buy a pre-roll. They buy a vape. They buy gummies. They buy this. Bam, you get notified instantly. When they hit enter, you get an email saying you can stop that. That really is how simple it is. But you know what? There's a lot of other ways that you can do it. You can buy sample packs. So like gummies, where one gummy, you get a sample pack. On the other side, it's a clear plastic so they can see the gummy. And you stick your QR code, you stick it on your screen right now. And you can out to everybody that you know. They're the 420 friendly. Don't give them the kids, okay? But you know what I'm saying? They like that drink, they like that sweet color, they scan the QR code, they buy anything, they are instantly a part of your business. They are instantly customers and affiliates and buzz in your network. And then you get paid, not just on all of their purchases, but anybody they refer as well. Okay? And so that's another way. Share sample products. I mean, who doesn't like to give out gummies or sweet tarts or let them try a vape pen or bake a thing of brownies, right? And the best way is a lot of people are saying, what if you can get paid to party? What do you mean by that? Well, you buy one of the party packs, you have a bunch of party favors, you invite everybody over, you cook the chocolate chip cookies, you cook the brownies, you have some vape pens, you have some gummies, you have some nerd wraps, you have an assortment of things, and everybody tries everything, and then in 15, 20 minutes, you show them the opportunity, they're all feeling good, and guess what? They know the product works because they took it 20, 30 minutes ago, and instantly it is part of their system. They are already feeling it. It's not like them having to take it for a month or two to figure out whether this stuff is real. So, you host some parties, share the products, and post a birthday. Watch what happens. Watch what happens when somebody really gets this and takes it serious. So, we also have a calendar of all the national parties all over that you actually can go at your party to. You can do the graphics. It's all up to you. There's people out here that are puffing and painting. There are painting parties, right? Puff, puff, paint. There's other parties on here that are dance parties. There's other after hours mixers where they, at the what do they call it? A happy hour at the bar where everybody's getting together and they're sharing parties. There are so many different types of parties going on right now, all from the East Coast to the West Coast, everywhere you can send your people to those parties. People you know, where they go try the products and then they become a part of your business. Okay? As far as what our products, everybody says, well, what is so special about your product? Why buy your products over others? Well, one of the reasons is the majority of our products are made on the local side. So what that means is if you go to the center in Colorado or wherever, it typically takes about an hour and a half to 2 hours for something to hit your bloodstream. Okay? With our products, they actually hit your bloodstream in about, some of them in 5 minutes. You might feel it in 20 to 30 minutes. But it also, not only does it act, much faster, so you feel it a lot quicker, but it also has extended release. So you feel it for a lot longer. We actually shrink the molecules in our products by